I got a little job on the go here. Tracy's doing a little drain cleaning. Got some tools. We got the spatula. We got some needle nose pliers. We got channel locks. Something to drain water in. She's got the little draining thing out back there. And wine.
He's dumping down far enough.
Alright, so you just dig down as much as you can. So they got some gross stuff up already. Oof.
Gross.
Symptoms, what was happening here is when you brush your teeth or whatever, the sink backs up and it's slow and runs slow and all of that. So.
Now what? This?
So we got that cleaned out a bit. So now we're going to run the snake through the pipe and see what pulls out.
Through the bottom?
Yeah. You can't always go down through this way because quite often there's something that blocks it. Try to run the snake down to the top. Yep.
Oh, nose is itchy.
Well, the thing is, the snake doesn't always want to make that turn, so pull out as much as you can. Let's pull a bunch out first. Do it by hand. Just shove it down by hand. Take a bunch out. Yeah, it looks good.
How much cable is there?
Quite a bit. It's all inside this case. No, take it out. Keep going. Okay.
Ew.
Keep going.
Enough?
More. You don't have to tighten it up yet because you want to push it down through there. You only got to spin it when it's actually down through. Shove it down through and see if it makes the turn. So what's happening is not coming down around the turn. You pull it back out and shove it through this way. And then you be careful, of course, because that can actually scratch porcelain. We're not worried about this old sink. And let's push it up through the bottom. As long as it goes.
Up where, to that way?
Yep, exactly. Might have to force it. Give it a little push. Just gotta go around the turn. Keep pushing. Might spring back, but keep pushing really hard.
It won't go anywhere.
Oh yeah. Keep going.
That's as far as it'll go.
No, it'll go more.
It will not.
It will. So push.
What
Push.
do you think I'm doing? Pulling?
Well, push.
I'm pushing! Jesus!
Push like you did when you were having the baby.
I did.
You pull more up. Loosen this. No, it won't go.
Told you.
How's it go all the way as far as it goes? And then
That's it.
Is it?
Oh my god, I can never be a plumber.
Is your plumber's crack sticking out?
No, it's just uncomfortable.
Oh.
I hate sitting on the floor.
So that's as far as it goes in.
Yeah.
Turn it and pull it back. Pull, keep pulling it back so the snake, pull the snake back. And keep pulling it back. There's your turn, keep pulling back.
It better be something.
Are you having fun yet? Is it fun? When does the fun start?
It's pretty just.
There you go. Why don't you put your soup bucket in there? Now you know why I hate this.
Can I push them in?
Yep.
Oh, that's so disgusting.
Coming. Let's see if it's anything. But nothing come out.
A little bit.
Okay. Maybe most of the clog was up above.
Maybe.
Alright, so put the plug back in and we'll give her a go. Good job so far.
It's like cooking.
Ooh.
Okay. Now what?
Okay, well, you ready to try it?
Should I put the thing on?
Oh, yeah, absolutely, yeah. That's important.
Yeah. Put this back too?
Yep. Yeah, stick that in, thread it in for now. You don't have to put the cap back in yet because we're still trying. That'll keep water from coming out inside there. Good?
Yeah.
Think it takes
where's
fine.
the other one?
Where'd you put the cap?
Good question. Oh, you're standing on it. It's probably not supposed to be there.
Bring it on. It's not gross.
Indeed.
scissors. Just snug it. That's fine. Right. Not backing up, eh?
Nope. I need maybe some baking soda and vinegar down there.
Sure, that's a good idea. And clean up that other gizmo. And then she'll be all good, fixed. Piece of cake, eh?
Yeah.
You like that, John?
Good times.
Good. Not a bad job. Pays good money, plumbing.
Yeah, except I'm not getting paid for this.
Sure you are. Getting paid by being able to use a sink that doesn't back up. Piece of
Yes.
cake.